Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. We're going to be talking about Tesla. Tesla is up a whopping 5% today. A lot of people have been freaking out and they don't understand what's going on inside the company. And so we're going to be breaking down everything you must know about it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Guys, and if you want to learn more about investing, money management, stocks, credit card hacking, everything, I have a blog where we talk about everything money. I'll put it down below so you guys can check it out. So now, to jump into it, Tesla, here we come. Alrighty guys, so starting off, what has Tesla been doing? Well, in the matter of 5 weeks, the stock has doubled, actually more than doubled, from its low at $101. Right now, the stock's trading near and around $212. Now, a lot of people don't understand what's going on inside the company, so the very first thing that we've seen inside Tesla is Elon Musk has been really focusing on it, right? For the first time in over a year, we've seen Elon devoted for Tesla. Comparing it to 2022, where Elon was really focused on Twitter because he just acquired it for about $44 billion. This caused a lot of investors in 2022 to sell their Tesla stock just because Elon wasn't focusing on it and the stock and company wasn't doing the greatest. So obviously the stock fell. Now in 2023, the stock is absolutely killing it, outperforming the indexes, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. And the reason why we've seen that is from some solid earning reports, some good revenue, and one of the most important thing is they've actually done relatively well over in China, which is pretty sweet. With that being said, Elon Musk himself said their goal for 2023 for production is 2 million vehicles. And I know you might be saying, Carter, what does that even mean? Well, let me explain. In 2022, they delivered about 1.4 million cars, or they produced 1.4 million cars, excuse me. And in 2023, their goal is 2 million. So they're almost doubling what they did in 2022. Anytime you have that announcement, you're gonna have this stock start to squeeze up. That's the first reason why we've seen a lot of buying pressure. Now, the second reason why we've seen a lot of buying pressure is just because anytime a stock sells off a lot, especially one of the most popular growth stocks out there, which is Tesla, anytime this thing sells off, it's gonna have volatility. So it's gonna sell off, it's gonna go back up, it's gonna sell off again. We've seen volatility in the past from Tesla, so it does not come to a surprise for me to see the stock squeeze down and then pop right back up, doubling, in 5 weeks. Now, the third reason why we've seen so much buying pressure is something called FOMO. So this is what we call fear of missing out. This is a emotion a lot of investors get because they never want to miss an opportunity to buy in at a stock that's squeezing up and doubling in 5 weeks. So people just continue to invest, and what this causes is the stock to continue to creep up higher and higher and higher just because everybody's investing in it. Now, is that a recipe for disaster? Well, in the long run, not necessarily, but in the short term, we're gonna see a little more volatility just because obviously anytime a stock goes up this much, this quick, we're gonna have some sort of sell-off. So I wouldn't be surprised in the matter of 2 weeks if we get a couple of days where the stock squeezes down 5-6%. I would not be surprised at all. But now, let's answer this question. Should we buy Tesla given all of its market conditions? Well, one thing you have to realize is a lot of people are investing into this company because Elon Musk himself said he has a master plan. So we'll see what that is. Hopefully it's something good with the company. You would hate to see it something bad, but overall, should you buy it? Like I mentioned, it's high volatile, so it's high risk, it's high reward. We've seen this thing double in 5 weeks, so there is a lot of reward there. Now, personally, I'm investing into Tesla. I'm keeping it near and around 5% of my portfolio. I know it's a little heavy, but I've been buying Tesla for years, so I'm just looking at this price, when we've seen some sell-off, as a more, a better opportunity to buy in at a more affordable price. Obviously, when the stock squeezes up, I'm dollar cost averaging, so I'm just investing into it, understanding, it could fall back down. So high risk, high reward. Doing a one lump sum investment is a little scarier just because you could be wrong just because the stock is already up so much in the past 5 weeks. So if you put a one lump sum, don't be surprised if the stock falls down a little bit, it's just going to be a little more volatile anytime you guys do that. So guys, that's kind of what's going on with Tesla. We have a whole bunch of great price targets as well. You know, some as high as 300. We have, you know, Kathy Wood, who's a Tesla bull. She's saying the stock could hit like 4,000. I don't know about that, but we'll see what happens, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care.